Hello and welcome to 10Pearls University. In order to take a course, you simply have to go to 10pearlsuniversity.org and sign up if you don't already have an account. If you have an account, you simply have to log in. Once you have logged in, you need to click on Explore and go to Courses. On this page, you need to scroll down and then you will get the list of the complete courses that are available. If you want a full view of all the courses published up till now, you can click View All Courses. On this page, you can see a complete list of courses that have been published so far. Once you've decided the course of your choice, you simply need to go on it and click Preview. On the preview page, you can find all the relevant details for the course, such as the course title, the category, the instructor name. If you want to go ahead and start the course, you can click Start Course. But if you want further details, you can scroll down and you can see the total number of students enrolled, duration of the course, lectures, and the level of the course. If you want further information, you can scroll down and read the course description from here. You can also get an idea of what exactly is included in the course and what are the learning outcomes. For further details, you can also download the course outline from here. Once you've decided on that, you can start your course by clicking Start Course. On this page, you can see the very first lecture of the course that you've selected. You can either start and click play, or if you want to see the lectures, then you can click on this navigation bar and see all the lectures and their durations over here. You can skip to the lecture of your choice if you want. Once you've completed the lecture on screen, you need to click on this button to move to the next lecture. If at any point during the course you feel there is a question that you need to ask, you can click on this question mark button on the top right and you can type your question here so that the instructor could get back to you directly on the email address that you have given. Once you've completed all of the lectures and passed the quizzes, this is the page you will land on, from where you can download your certificate and share it. You can also go back to the main page and click on My Account. This page will show you your progress on all the courses that you have been enrolled in so far. You can continue taking your courses from this page as well. And if you click on the quizzes, you can also see your quiz results. If you want to add another course, you can click here and add another course as well. And that's how simple it is to enroll in a course at 10Pearls University.